Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to put the bag on the Ego mower. Yeah, that's simple. All right, looks like we got some dogs that want to say hi. Lucy wants to say hi, and Molly wants to say hi too. All right, so this is a pretty easy video, but I did have one person, a viewer, who requested this, so I'm just going to do it. All right, so on the Ego lawnmower, you're probably going to have the mulch plug already in there, okay? So you're gonna flip this back and pull the mulch plug out, okay? The mulch plug just keeps the grass in there so it can spin around a few more times, get cut up smaller. So here we go. The bag is pretty easy. Okay, so with the bag here, we have these two hooks, and they almost look like they should go in these two spots right here, but that's where some screws are. So actually, they're gonna hook around this bar right here. Okay, so we're gonna take the bag, and we're gonna hook it on that bar. And that's really it. That's all there is to it. Okay, even though that's as simple as it is to put the bag on, everything I've read, the regular blade that comes with it, which is a mulching blade, doesn't do the bag very much justice, okay? It doesn't lift very much. I know that that's for sure, because I've gone over leaves and stuff like that in previous years, and it doesn't really suck it up at all. Okay, so the mulching blade allows the grass to stay in there for another 2 rotations for it to get chopped up and then dropped. But then I have, the next video is gonna show me putting on the high lift blade, which should keep the grass up there higher and allow it to really get sucked up and pulled into the bag, okay? So check that out. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Super simple, super quick. Please subscribe, check out the website, another video for you guys to enjoy. You guys have a great one.